our 2-week board and train. He's about 1-year-old male Pomeranian. He came here as a double dog with his sibling, Golden Retriever, which you'll see later. But for crew, we're gonna work on some obnoxious barking at everything and anything. We're also gonna work on some leash pulling, and we're gonna try and get some recall in as well. Let's see what he already knows. Crew, come. Good. Crew, sit. Good. Down. Crew, down. Down. Okay. Crew, place. Come on. Place. Crew, come. Place. You. Oh, good. You. Crew, you. Crew, good. Check in with us in 2 weeks to see what he's learned.